just a quick little video here showing how I do my air layering. I've got one video out that I was showing you how to air layer on my peach tree. It's still in works. We'll be looking at that next month. Hopefully we'll have some roots development on that. But here, guys, this is my apricot tree, and here on the lower branches you can see I've got some side shoots coming out down on the bottom that I want to get rid of. And rather than just cutting these off and let them go to waste, I'm going to be air layering these and hopefully get some new plants out of them. With this branch here, I scraped the bark off of the stem down to the cambium layer and stuck it in the soil. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if you can see that right here. And I just stuck it in the soil under here. There's the other end of it right there. You can see it's going down into the soil. And right here, guys, is where I scraped back the bark down to the cambium layer. And this is where your new root system will grow on this particular branch. This is the part you'll put into the soil and you'll water it in. And within a couple of months, you should begin to get new root growth. Here, I'm going to be scraping the cambium layer also on this one. And then I'll fill this bag with soil, put it around here, and seal it up. And hopefully within about 3 months, we'll be able to see the root system grow in here. So that's 3 different ways that I've been air layering, just trying them out. I do these videos, guys. Hopefully, you know, it's a shortcut that we can use as gardeners, as growers. I'll try these out. I'll take the failures so you guys don't have to. But anyway, let me go ahead and get this set up, and when I do, I'll bring you back and let you see what it looks like. Alright guys, I've got it in. As you can see, the bag here is full of soil. I moistened it and it's tied a loop around the top to keep it closed. Hopefully, guys, if this one works out, we'll be able to actually see the development and the progression of the root system as it forms on this particular branch. Now, to make sure that this is still working, periodically check the very tip ends. Make sure that you see new growth coming on your branch. If it is, then you know that it's still alive. If these leaves die off and turn brown, you know it failed. So we'll keep an eye on these, and I'll let you know what we got. This is a Manchurian apricot tree, and so you can see this is the bush variety. We'll keep an eye on this. Also, guys, I wanted to show you the first air layering method that we were trying, which is right here on our peach tree. It's going pretty good. We'll check this one out next month, and I'll let you know what I got.